Hi there, students. To discriminate, or an adjective, discriminate. And then we have indiscriminate, the opposite, which is also an adjective, and I wanted to look at that. You could have discrimination as well as a noun. Okay, so discriminate has two different meanings. Firstly, we have the meaning as in discrimination, to make differences, to make distinctions of people without looking at the merit of the individual. Yeah, to decide that you want one group instead of another based on class or ethnicity or religion or something like that, some sort of social factor. Yeah, and our society at the moment is trying to stop discrimination. Now, we can also use this verb to discriminate, meaning to tell the difference between two things, to perceive the difference. So people that are colourblind are unable to discriminate between red and green, for example. Okay, so to discriminate, notice, to discriminate between, tell the difference. To discriminate against, to be prejudiced against. Now, indiscriminate, this is an adjective which means you do something at random. Yeah, it's completely unselective. So he's very indiscriminate when he does his shopping. He just buys this and that. He doesn't look at the different qualities or the different prices. Indiscriminate violence. This is violence where if you're there, you get attacked, not based on any differences between people. Yeah, indiscriminate, chaotic, confused. Yeah, the application of the law was very indiscriminate. Sometimes they did, sometimes they didn't. Okay, so indiscriminate, not showing careful choice or planning, especially when the results are harmful. Okay, if we say indiscriminate, this is you are criticizing somebody. The indiscriminate use of pesticides has led to the poisoning of our water. Okay, people are they have not been selective about it. The opposite of indiscriminate is to be selective about something and use the right thing for the right situation. An indiscriminate attack on civilians. Okay, so not showing thought or planning, it just happens. It doesn't make differences between different people. I get the feeling that COVID was fairly indiscriminate about the people that it infected. Done at random, non-selective, undiscriminating, yeah? Without any judgment or difference between between people. And then if you describe a person as indiscriminate, yeah, you're not using selection criteria. Yeah, he needs to discriminate between the different qualities of things. There we go, to distinguish between the qualities of different things. Notice the verb to discriminate, meaning to be able to tell the difference. I would recommend you don't use this word because it's easy to confuse it with the meaning of to decide based on prejudice. And to discriminate to tell the difference is a fairly formal word as well. I think I would primarily use the verb to distinguish or to make distinctions between. It's just easier and you won't get it into problems. And then just use the verb to discriminate, meaning to choose based on prejudice or to decide based on prejudice. Okay, so to discriminate, to be able to tell the difference, but also to treat people unfairly, yeah, to discriminate against a group of people, to treat them worse or better than other groups. And there is a lot of legislation against discrimination against minorities. And then indiscriminate or indiscriminate. The earthquake caused indiscriminate destruction. It destroyed here and there. It didn't choose. It just went everywhere. Yeah, indiscriminate, at random, general, mixed, without deciding. Okay, so diseases can strike indiscriminately, yeah, without choosing. Let's see. So to discriminate, to discriminate against, I think maybe 6 informality. Use anywhere. To discriminate between things, 6.5 informality. Use semi-formally and above. Although I recommend for this meaning use to distinguish. And then indiscriminate. Again, 6 informality. Use anywhere. Okay, so all of these words come from Latin discriminatus, from the verb discriminare, to divide, to distinguish, to separate, which actually comes from discerno, to divide, to distinguish, to discern. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Discriminate, indiscriminate.